Well, good Thursday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a wonderful pre-Friday. But you know what? We got to get some stuff in the ground, y'all. So give me a second. We finna walk over yonder, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okie dokie. Over here by this 4-foot raised bed by the trellis, I have some Kentucky Wonder Pole beans, and there is the Malabar spinach. We finna get these guys in the ground because that's where they belong. Let's get with it. Thinking on this is we're gonna put a Malabar spinach here and a Malabar spinach there, and we are just gonna stagger it. I'm just gonna put some pole beans here, some pole beans here, and some pole beans here, and we're just gonna let it rock and roll like that. So let's go on and get us a hole going, because we got to get these babies in the ground. Oh, damn, another frog. Look at that. Go on, Mr. Frog. See if we can get Mr. Malabar out of here without tearing him up too much. All right. Let's cover him up. Okay, I think he looks quite happy like that. All right. We're gonna plant these guys deep. Don't believe they just like crazy leggy, but that's okay. We're gonna plant them deep anyway. There's our Malabar spinach. Gonna put a couple of these Kentucky Wonder Poles in here just to give them a helping hand as far as the nitrogen. I'm thinking one there and one there, and we don't have to really plant these Kentucky Wonders too deep. And if you don't know, I'm a big fan of the Kentucky Wonder Pole beans. Let's get one or two here and one there. We'll drop one there, one there. Well, let's just go on and put 2 seeds in there to ensure germination. What I did was I went ahead and dropped in Malabar spinach and some Kentucky Wonder Pole beans. The Kentucky Wonders hopefully will be a nitrogen supplier to the Malabar. What I will say is, when I put this bed, this 4x4 raised bed here, I added in some of that rainbow fertilizer. I think it's a 5-8-21. I don't know, I might have the numbers backwards, but I'll look it up and let you know for sure. But I went ahead and fertilized this bed, soaked it down real good, and then we had the real good rain. So I think that the fertilizer has been, is starting to break down. So we're gonna see what happens. But you know what? The fun don't stop right here, y'all. We finna go over here to the earth bed that I tilled up. I'm gonna grab the mini tiller and we're gonna get in there, till it up just a little bit, throw out some fertilizer, and we're gonna get it ready to plant out our top pick purple hull peas. So give me a second and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, let's see if we can get this earth bed cut in just a little bit more. Here is the earth bed. I got it cut under pretty good. At least I think so anyways. The next step is I'm going to take some of this, and it is 5-8-21, the rainbow fertilizer. I'm just going to go ahead and broadcast this out into this bed. I'll show you that. And then I'm going to cut it under again. And I'll probably later on this afternoon, once it's, well, I could probably do it now. But I'm going to water this earth bed down. Here's our 5-8-21. Got me a little scoop. All right, y'all, we had some technical difficulties. I forgot to change the batteries in my receiver, so no sound. But anyways, broadcasted out the 5-8-21, cut it under again. So I think that's gonna be a good thing. What I'm gonna do next is probably tomorrow, I'm gonna go on and cut out, I'm gonna go on and put me maybe 3 rows out in this earth bed. I'm gonna hill them up, and that's where we are gonna plant our top pick purple hull peas. So hopefully that'll work out. I'm pretty optimistic that it's gonna work, but we're gonna see. Had really good luck with the 5-8-21 fertilizer, so we're just gonna rock and roll with it. I'm sure happy that y'all came along with me cutting up this earth bed and also planting out the Malabar spinach and the Kentucky Wonder pole beans in that 4-foot raised bed with the trellis. If you liked the video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know it's coming, and Dan's always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. Especially when you're trying to get your earth bed going with your top pick purple hull peas, say that 10 times, and plant some Malabar spinach. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.